Hello children, welcome back. Let's start today's video. Class 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 1, Measuring Time, Lecture number 2, and it's our term 3. Okay children, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 1 and it is the second lecture of chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Measuring Time and we are continuing with term 3. In this video, our subtopics are as follows. These are time in minutes and second one is exercise 1A. Children, in this video today we are going to discuss time in minutes and exercise 1A. Okay, so initially we will discuss time in minutes. Let's see what is the meaning of time in minutes. Children, as you can see, there is a clock at your screen. In this clock, there are two hands. As you all know, this is the small hand, it is the big hand. And at this clock, there are 12 numbers showing. Okay. In between two numbers, there are 5 small divisions. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the big divisions and between two numbers there are small 5 divisions. Look at these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means in between two numbers there are 5 small interval. It means that moving one number to another number it takes 5 minutes. One small division stands for 1 minute. 2 divisions 2 minutes, 3 divisions 3 minutes, 4 divisions 4 minutes, 5 divisions 5 minutes. That means clearly that in between two numbers there is the gap of 5 minutes. Okay children, moving one number to another number it takes 5 minutes. Or you can also get to know it by the multiplying the number by 5. As the minute hand is at any number, multiply that number by 5. Suppose the minute hand is at 1, multiply 1 by 5. 1 5s are 5. Multiply 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10. Multiply 3 by 5. 3 5s are 15. 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. 11 5s are 55. 12 5s are 60. But children, there is one important thing that you must know. When the time is any number and 60, suppose 260, we do not need to write it 260. The time is 3 o'clock. Okay, till 59 we can write 259, 258. But when the time is 260, it is not written as 260. It is written as 3 o'clock, means next hour hand. Next hour, okay. So I hope you have got it कि जिस भी नंबर पर मिनट हैंड होता है आप उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 3, 5, 3, 10, 3, 15 and so on. After that, let me tell you some written points about this one. There are 12 big divisions on the clock. As you all know, there are 12 big divisions on the clock. Each big division has 5 small divisions. Every big divisions के बीच में 5 divisions होते हैं small. Each small division stands for 1 minute. Or as I have discussed it with you, that every small division stands for 1 minute. 5 small divisions means 5 minutes. Fine. After that, so there are 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. 12 big divisions, 5 small divisions. 12 नंबर के बीच में, एवरी 2 नंबर के बीच में 5 स्मॉल डिविजन्स होते हैं. दैट्स वाई 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 12 5s are 60. 60 small divisions, or we can say it 60 minutes. Total 12 big divisions, 5 small divisions. It means total divisions कितने होंगे? Total small divisions it's 60 small divisions, and 60 small divisions make 60 minutes. And the second fact is there are 24 hours in a day. One day में 24 hours होते हैं. Okay. Suppose 12 to 1 it's 1 hour, 1 to 2 it's 2 hours, 2 to 3 3 hours, 3 to 4 4 hours. Such as there are total 24 hours. When the clock take one round of the clock, it means when the hour hand complete one round of the clock, it means it has covered 12 hours. When it takes 2 rounds, it means it has covered 24 hours. And these 24 hours make a day, make one day. In this clock, as you can see what I am trying to say, when the hour hand moves from 12 to 1, it completes 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hours complete. It means half day complete. One round complete. After that, one more round when the clock takes 2 rounds complete. And the 2 rounds included 24 hours. These 24 hours make one day. One day there are total 24 hours. Okay, children. And in 1 hour there are total 60 minutes. These 60 minutes indicates 60 small divisions. So these 60 minutes indicates small 60 division like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, 60 divisions. After that, let me tell you that how these 60 minutes frame. In these clocks, as you can see, there are 2 hands in the clock. This is the small hand, it is the bigger hand. According to these hands, the time is 3, or you can say it 3 o'clock, as the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at 3. That's why the time is 3 o'clock. In this one, the minute hand is at 1 and the hour hand is at 3. 1 5s are 5. That's why the time is 3:05, or you can spell it 5 minutes past 3. Both are same. You can opt any one of the time. After that, in this one, the hour hand is at 3, the minute hand is at 2. 2 5s are 10. It's 3:10, or you can spell it 10 minutes past 3. Next one, the hour hand is at 3, the minute hand is also at 3. That's why 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes past 3. In this one, hour hand is at 3, minute hand is at 4. 4 5s are 20. 3 20. 20 minutes past 3. Okay, children. At 1 it's 5 minutes, at 2 10 minutes, 3 15 minutes, 4 20 minutes. That's why the time is 20 minutes past 3. In this one, the hour hand is at 3, the minute hand is at 5. 5 5s are 25. You can say 25 minutes past 3. Both time are right, both ways are right. In the exams, in the test, it can be asked to write the time in any ways, or it can be asked to write the time in both ways. You can opt if the choice is there. आप कोई भी एक चूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको वन टाइप का है, अगर आपको दोनों टाइप बोले गए हैं, तो आपको दोनों राइट करने होंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बट बोथ आर द सेम, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस, both are correct. In this one, the hour hand is in between 3 and 4. The minute hand is at 6. When the minute hand is at 6, you can read this time as 3:30. It can be read as 3:30 or it can be read as 30 minutes past 3 or it can be read as half past 3. When the minute hand is at 6, it can be spelled at 3 times. One is 3:30, second is 30 minutes past 3 and third one is half past 3. Both are correct. In the next one, minute hand is at 7. The hour hand is in between 3 and 4. Crossed 3 but near to reach at 4. 7 5s are 35. Means till 12 to 7, minute hand has covered 35 minutes. So the time is 3:35 or 25 minutes to 4. Children, here you will get confused that till then we were doing minutes past dash minute past, but here the time is 20 minutes to 4, but there is no difference, both are correct. 25 minutes to 4, it means 4 बजने में अभी 25 minutes बाकी है. कैसे? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. ओके, 1 नंबर के बीच में मीन्स 2 नंबर्स के बीच में 5 मिनट्स का गैप होता है. 7 to 8 में 5 मिनट्स, 8 to 9 में 5 मिनट्स, 9 to 10 में 5 मिनट्स, 10 to 11 में 5 मिनट्स, 11 to 12 में 5 मिनट्स, टोटल 25 मिनट्स. तो 25 मिनट्स टू 4. अभी बोले कि 25 मिनट्स बाकी है 4 बजने में, और यू कैन से 35 मिनट्स पास्ट 3. 7 5s are 35. You can say 35 minutes past 3. This is also correct. There is no difference. You can choose anyone. It is correct. Don't get confused कि यहाँ पर तो टाइम डिफरेंस आ गया. It's similar. You can say 25 minutes to 4. 25 minutes बाकी है 4 बजने में, और you can say 35 minutes past 3. Got it, children? After that, in these clocks, the hour hand is in between 3 and 4, slightly close to 4, and the minute hand is at 8. 8 5s are 40. Here the condition is also same. 20 minutes to 4 means 4 बजने में 20 minutes बाकी है, or you can say 40 minutes past 3. 8 5s are 40. 40 minutes past 3. In this one, the minute hand is at 9. The hour hand is in between 3 and 4. 9 5s are 45. This time also can be read as 3 types. 9 5s are 45. 3:45. Second is 15 minutes to 4. To 4 means 4 बजने वाले हैं, उसमें 15 minutes अभी डिमेन है. एंड द थर्ड वन इज क्वार्टर टू 4. क्वार्टर टू 4 मीन्स 4 बजने वाले हैं जब हमारा मिनट हैंड 9 पर होता है. व्हेन इट इंडिकेट्स 9, द टाइम इज रेड एज क्वार्टर टू, एंड द मिनट आवर हैंड इज इन बिटवीन 3 and 4, सो दैट्स व्हाई द टाइम इज क्वार्टर टू 4. 4 बजने वाले हैं, उसमें 15 minutes बाकी हैं. इन दिस वन, our hand is at 3 and between 3 and 4. It's little close to 4, approx to 4, and the minute hand is at 10. 10 5s are 50. 3:50, or you can say 10 minutes to 4. 10 minutes to 4 means there are 10 minutes remain for being 4. Okay, children, this is the. After that, in these two clocks, the minute hand is at 11. 11 5s are 55. And the hour hand is approx 4. But it's close to 3 and near to reach at 4. That's why the time is 3:55. 3 बजकर 55 minutes हुए ना. So 5 minutes to 4. It means 5 minutes remain है for being 4. In this one, the minute hand is at 12. and the hour hand is at 4. That's why the time is 4 o'clock. It is full hour or o'clock time. Okay children, you all know it very well. Now let's do exercise 1A. In exercise 1A, there is fill in the blanks. Let's do fill in the blanks first. A. When the minute hand moves from 12 to 3, it covers dash minute. When the minute hand moves from 1 to 3, it covers dash minutes. It covers 15 minutes. Next is part B. At 3:30, the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between dash and dash. At 3:30, जब टाइम होता है 3:30, मिनट हैंड 6 पर होता है एंड द आवर हैंड इज बिटवीन डैश एंड डैश. कौन से 2 नंबर्स के बीच में होता है? लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. In this clock, the hour hand is in between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is at 6. So 3:30 में minute hand 6 पर होता है. hour hand कौन से 2 नंबर के बीच में होता है? 3 and 4. Okay. If we will see the clock and this question, when the minute hand moves from 12 to 3, it covers dash minute. 12 to 3, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 15 minutes. Okay children. Next one. Question number 2. Read and write the time in 2 ways. Children, as I have discussed it with you, that it can be asked to write time in 2 ways or in 1 way only. So here it is asked to write the time in 2 ways. These are the clocks, these are the time, and you have to write the time in 2 ways. In this one, the hour hand is in between 2 and 3. The minute hand is at 7. That's why the time is 2:35. 7 5s are 35. Or you can say 35 minutes past 2 or 2:35. Okay children, both are correct. In this one, the hour hand is in between 4 and 5. The minute hand is at 10. It means 10 5s are 50. You can say 55 minutes past 4 or 10 minutes to 4 to 10 minutes to 5, or you can say 4:50. It's 50 minutes past 4 and the second way is 4:50. 4 बजकर 50 minutes हो गए और 4 के साथ 50 minutes also spent हो गए. That's why 50 minutes past 4. In this one, 40 minutes past 1, or you can say 1:45. For 9 5s are 45. That's why it is 45 minutes past 1. 1 बजकर 45 minutes past हो चुके हैं. In this one, the hour hand is in between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 10. 10 5s are 50. 50 minutes past 2. Minutes past 2, or you can say 8 to 50. Okay children, both are correct. Next is question number 3. Draw the minute and the hour hand according to the given time. Also write the time on dash. One has been done for you. You have to draw the minute hand as well as hour hand according to the time and also fill up the dash, given dash in the exercise. What has been done for you? Let's see. These are the clocks. In this one you have to write time in numbers. In this one words, numbers, words. Here number, word, number, words. One has been done for you. This is 10:15. In this one, the minute hand is at 3, the hour hand is at 10. That's why the time is 10:15. 3 5s are 15. And it can also be written as quarter past 3. When the minute hand indicates 3, it means quarter past. And the time is quarter past 3. In this one, the time is given, that is 1:45. According to 1:45, you have to draw the hands and write the time here also. So the time is 1:45. When the time is 1:45, so it can be also read as quarter to 2. 1:45 means the clock, in the clock, the hour hand has crossed 1 and near to 2, and the minute hand is at 9, as because 9 5s are 45. This is hour hand, this is minute hand, and it can be read as quarter to 2. 2 बजने वाले होते हैं ना जब. In the next one, the time is 12:45. It means the hour hand must be in between 12 and 1, and the minute hand at 9. 9 5s are 45. This is the time 12:45, or it is quarter to 1. In the next one, 3:25. Minute hand must be at 5. 5 5s are 25, and the hour hand in between 3 and 4. Slightly close to 3. Okay, 3:25 or 25 minutes past 3. Both are correct. Now it's time to take homework, and your homework is do question 1, 2, 3 part EFGH at page number 6 and 7 in your book, term 3. You have to do part EFGH of question number 1, 2 and 3. Part ABCD we have done in this video. Part EFGH you have to do yourself and submit the solution on my email ID. That is already provided to you. Now let's discuss the homework solution of previous lecture, of lecture number 1. This was your homework in lecture number 1. Let's rewind. Fill in the blanks. There are dash hands in a clock. How many hands are there in a clock? There are 2 hands. Many of the children wrote here 3 hands. 3 hands also correct, but basically if we talk about, so there are 2 hands, minute hand and hour hand. There is second hand also present in the clock, but basically we consider 2 hands. Small hand shows, जो small hand होता है वो क्या show करता है? Hour. Big hand shows minutes. There are dash minutes in an hour. As I have told you earlier, there are 60 minutes in an hour. 60 minutes make 1 hour. When the minute hand moves from one number to another number, it may moves through dash small division. When the minute hand moves from one number to another, जब minute hand एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पर मूव करता है, कितने small divisions को क्रॉस करता है? It crosses 5 small divisions. Okay. Next one. There are dash days in a week. There are total 7 days in a week. Saturday comes after. Saturday किसके बाद आता है? Friday. Friday then Saturday. February comes before. February किसके पहले आता है? Before means पहले. It's March. March के पहले February. February, March. Okay. Write the name of the months having 30 days. उन months के name write करने जिनमें 30 days होते हैं. You can take help of this picture. According to this picture, the month which is having 30 days, initially it is April. After that, June. After that, September. And then November. In this one, write the names of the months having 31 days. अब वो months write करने आपने जिनमें 31 days होते हैं. According to this picture, according to it, the months having 31 days, first of all, it is January, then March, then May, July, August, October, and then December. Okay, children? Question done? Question number 2. रीड द क्लॉक फेस एंड राइट डाउन द करेक्ट टाइम. क्लॉक को देखना है और उसके करेक्ट टाइम राइट करना है. इन दिस वन, आवर हैंड इज एट 2, मिनट हैंड इज एट 12, टाइम इज 2 o'clock, or you can say 2. You can write it like this. In this one, the hour hand is between 8 and 9, minute hand is at 6, 6 5s are 30, time is 8:30. Hour hand is at 5, minute hand is at 3, 3 5s are 15, 5:15. Hour hand is at between 12 and 1, minute hand is at 9, time is 12:45, 9 5s are 45, 12:45. Okay children, so here we have done. I hope you have understood it. Still if you are confused, you can ask me in the online classes. Till the next video children, bye bye, take care.